Please adopt me.
Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Okay. I'll take that, I guess. That was pretty unexpected.